Good afternoon, everyone. And I want to thank you all for being here. Kahit na nasa kalagitnaan tayo ng bakasyon, you're still able to come here. So it only goes to show kung gaano nyo kamahal ang College of Education, especially our department, the Department of Business Teacher Education. Okay? So by the way, I am Gino Raz, and I'm the advisor of Society of Information Technology Educators. And this is my 5 minute kickstart talk. Okay. So first is probably the things we have in common. Okay. So una na doon is hindi natin na-imagine na magiging education student pala tayo. Okay. So una na yon. Then pangalawa, most likely. Okay. Kaya napunta ka sa department na to, especially yung mga ICT major, is that nasaraduhan kayo ng mga courses nyo na really related to ICT. Okay, so since there's a word ICT in our course, so dito kayo napunta. So that's true. And probably another thing that it will take you one full semester to realize na, hala, teacher pala ako, education pala yung course ko. Okay? So those are the things that we have in common. Pero, second point is that probably what happened to us is what we needed. Okay? So it's a big blessings in disguise. Why? Just think of it. Let's say napunta kayo sa mga hardcore ICT courses, computer engineering, computer science. Okay? So did you know that what is happening now is that those in the field of ICT are struggling to find entry-level jobs. Okay? So kasi they are being replaced by AI. Mga entry level na field in ICT. Okay? They are being replaced by AI. So, but we imagine nyo na lang 4 years kayo nag-aral, then suddenly there is no opportunity for you because you are being replaced by artificial intelligence. Yung mga entry level jobs. Okay? So, yung 4 years na napag-aralan mo, suddenly, obsolete na. Okay? But for us, especially those ICT majors, we are obsolete proof. Okay? Hindi tayo tinatabla ng obsolency. Kasi, why? Why is that? Because we are not also ICT major, we are also an education students. Okay? So, I have students in post-baccalaureate na graduate sila ng ICT. Then, nagtitake pa sila ng 2 semester para lang makapag-take ng LET. So just imagine the burden of after graduating and enrolling another 2 semesters just for you to have an opportunity to take the licensure examination for teachers. But for you guys, you don't have to enroll because education students na kayo. Okay? So, probably this is for the best. It's a big blessings in disguise na napunta kayo sa College of Education. Kasi in the 20 plus field that we have, you can choose anything you want. Okay? So, another thing is that since you are here in the College of Education, you are being trained as a generalist. Generalist. So, those generalists is the one that thrives in today's day and age. Okay? In the middle of uh, artificial intelligence revolution, yung mga generalists, sila yung mga nagtathrive. Okay? So, we are the generalists. Only insects are the one who specialize in doing one thing their entire life. But for us, we can be anything we want. Okay, we can be in the field of education if we want. We can teach, or we can be in the field of business. We can be in the field of ICT. Okay, lahat yan covered dito sa College of Education. Okay? So, it's a big blessings na napunta kayo dito sa College of Education. So, another thing that we have in common is that as we go on to our journey, mas minahal natin yung College of Education. Isn't it? So, first year, probably nagsisink in pa sa'yo. Second year, you're getting to know it. third year, fourth year, fall na fall ka na talaga sa College of Education. Okay, so that's the another thing that we have in common. And so there, that is my 5 minute kickstart talk. Thank you very much, everyone. Goodbye.